Hello, this is Paul Nelson with Western Sport Floors, Wyoming Wood Floors. I had an awesome opportunity recently to interview an absolute legend in the gym floor world, a guy by the name of Keith Zimmerman. I had a chance to interview Keith, and he's going to tell us his story. I hope you enjoy this interview as much as I did. Make it a great day. Hello, this is Paul Nelson with Western Sport Floors. I am at John Prater's headquarters, Prater's Floors here in Chattanooga, Tennessee, and I have Mr. Keith Zimmerman.
How you doing, Paul?
Great. It was great to meet you and visit with you. Can you tell me just a little bit about your company?
Well, it's just I have a small company, mainly do installations of sports floors, and been in business for a little more than 25 years. And have about 10 to 12 permanent employees, and we pretty much work all over the United States, mostly in the Southeast. And we'll do probably 800,000 to 1 million square feet a year.
You'll install up to 1 million square feet a year.
Yep.
That's a lot of nails.
It is. It sure is. Yep. That's a lot of nails.
But you have one special floor in your
One
career.
floor is kind of a feather in my hat, I guess you would say. I actually got to put a floor in for the president at Camp David, and I was subcontracting for a company out of Maryland, Master Care,
Okay.
who is owned by Russ Sterner and Lou O'Brien. They gave me the opportunity for that, and I got to work directly with Connor's engineer, and it was a prototype for the green play system at that time, which was a brand new system.
That would have been cutting edge.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep. And feel very, very thankful and very blessed to have been able to be a part of that project.
That's awesome. In Camp David, what is that like?
Camp David is basically a little small military base. I had it envisioned, because the president's there all the time, I had it envisioned as a resort type place, but no, it was just a small military base. All the buildings were green, looked identical, and obviously there's some very high security.
I'm sure there is.
Yeah.
And now the president can play basketball.
Now he's got a nice court to play ball on. Yeah.
All right. For Western Sport Floors and Wyoming Wood Floors, this is Paul Nelson. Thank you for watching. We appreciate it. If you'd like to get in touch with me regarding gymnasium floors or wood floors, questions in general, business ideas, always happy to talk. Our office number is area code 406-549-1900. You make it.